Hello YouTube, I'm Jonah, and thanks for joining us in today's DIY. So this is my hot water tank. It's power vented gas water tank. It's a GE 50 gallon or 189 liter tank. I've had it close to about 12 years now, and I've never flushed out this hot water tank, so today will be the day. Mainly because of this problem right here. I have a drip leak from the floor drain spout right here, and a buildup of this black gunk also on the spout. And to let you guys know, if you like my videos and find it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And the first thing I do is unplug the power to my hot water tank. I just follow my electrical cord from the power vent and unplug it from its socket. So many manufacturers suggest to flush out your hot water tank once a year, and many of us don't. And I'll be the first one to tell you that I don't. Although knowing how simple this process is, I may start to do it every 2 years. And the next thing I do is shut off the gas supply that goes to the hot water tank right here. You also notice I turn it to a 90-degree position to shut off the gas. Also notice the color of the gas shutoff valve is red. Then I shut off the cold water supply line going towards the tank, which is just above it. Also notice I turn it to a 90-degree position to stop the water. And if you don't know which pipe is the cold water inlet, there should be a blue round tab between the water pipe and the top of the water tank. Blue means cold and red would mean hot. Then I go upstairs to our bathroom and open up the hot water faucet so we don't trap air in the water line. So I'll be using my old garden hose with about a 4.5 foot extension to drain the tank. And just for your safety, the water is still very hot, so good to wear gloves. And I'll be extending the hose to the floor drain right there. And check out all that gunk that has built up. So calcium and sediment has probably built up in the tank, especially if you live in an area with hard water, which is loaded with minerals and eventually settle to the bottom of the tank. And now all I have to do is hook up the hose to the drain spout, making sure it's nice and tight. Then I take that plastic drain knob and turn it to the left to drain the water. And I just turn it nice and slow at first. And it completely drained in about 30 minutes. And you know what? The water doesn't look that bad, considering I haven't flushed it in almost 12 years.
Okay, after about half an hour.
Yes, that's right. In about 30 minutes, it was completely drained. Now, this part is optional. If you guys want to flush it one more time, you can turn the cold water back on and let it drain some more for about 10-15 minutes. Then shut it off again and let it drain completely. Now I just unhook my garden hose. Then I just close my drain, making sure it's nice and tight. Then I just clean the drain area with a rag. Now I can turn the water back on at 100%. Now I can go upstairs to my bathroom and hear that? That's air being purged out of the lines. And you know your water tank is full when water starts coming out of this faucet. And here it is. You know the hot water tank is full. And notice, you can see that there was calcium buildup in the lines, so the color of the water really stands out against the white porcelain. Therefore, I just let the water run until it starts to clear up. Then I just go back downstairs and turn on the gas. Notice the position. And plug my power back on. And hear that? Music to my ears. The power vent is now on and the burners will be kicking in. So if you like my videos and find it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.